All right, y'all, so I want to show you a simple little way to get around areas like this that you know the buffer won't reach. First, you want to get you a mini polisher like this Milwaukee right here. It's a little expensive, but it is so well worth it. And I did find a kit at Harbor Freight. This was a mini buffing kit, and this wool pad, it's not real wool, but it's fine enough to work so very well with Finish R, and I just discovered this today. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. We got our Finish R polish on here. What we're gonna do is, you always want to keep this on one. You do not want to put it on two. That goes way too fast. And you want to keep this moving. You don't want to stay in one spot for too long, because if you do, you will burn the gel coat. You'll have to go back and sand. So I'm gonna try to do this one-handed while holding the camera because I don't have my tripod. So you just want to smear it in first. As you see, I'm keeping it moving. And on my final pass, I'm going to go a little bit slower just in case I were to miss anything. Now right here, I'm tilting it because I got this riveted screw in there. Now we're going to take our rag and wipe it, and if you see over there, I've already got from this corner all in there. Even this Lake Norman decal looks really good on it. It looks amazing. And when you're polishing, you always want to have a flashlight nearby just to make sure you got everything real good. Unless you're a half-ass detailer, or you don't really care, and then I guess it wouldn't matter, would it? No. All right, now let's turn on the light. All right, and there we have it. That's my little ball of light right here for my phone. Sorry, it's cloudy out here. Looks like it's about to storm. But I got that really good. Now let's go over to where we have not done, which is over here. See how hazy it is, and you got the fog around from the compound. And we got over here, and here, where we have polish. Like I said again, this is Finish R. Go on startyachtcare.com. Use code ZIPPY15 in all caps for 15% off all Start Yacht Care products. And go and buy you a Milwaukee, and you can get this set at Harbor Freight, or you can order it online. It's really great. I don't really see no sense in going all out for using it in small areas like that, because it does achieve the same results. All right, after you go in with that little soft wool pad I showed you just a little while ago, go in with the yellow polishing pad. So look at that now, since we went over it with the foam polishing pad. It's right in the sun too. There's nothing to hide. Now I just got this right here to finish up. We'll be all done here soon. Sorry, I totally forgot to record the part with the foam pad, but it's the same process. But you do want to stay in areas a tad bit longer with the foam pad. A foam pad ain't gonna burn the surface. I've never had that happen to me before, but the longer you stay on the surface, the maximum gloss you will get. And we also get this maximum gloss by finishing off with 3000 grit.